Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July 10th on a Monday, and boy, looking at the SPY on Friday, that's a ominous looking topping tail. Okay, we'll have to see what happens. We are seeing a little bit of a gap down, basically flat today, but not a good look you want to have if you're bullish, a rejection tail like that. But let's take a look at some opportunities. Some of the small caps held up on Friday, could have a rotation going on. So let's take a look around. Neo is one that's jumping out at me a little bit. I actually bought some of this on Friday, a little bit there at 986. Liking the way the tails, I'm sorry, the moving averages. You got the 10 stacked over the 20 and the 50. It is below its 200-day and trading in the lower 15% of its lifetime range, but there is some nice constructive work going on here, and plus with RIVN running like it is, you might get a nice little sympathy play out of this one. So watch Neo. Another one to keep on the radar, same kind of scenario as far as the daily looks, is Plug. It's been beaten up, ugly, but once again, you got your moving averages kind of defending this now. Just maybe put an alert up here. You got some wicks up here. If it does get through that $11 level, could be interesting. The trade of the week this week was Groupon. So heavy short float, short interest in this one. So you should get possibly a short covering move with this thing. So keep an eye on that one. Set your price alert close to that 5-day high there. And one other one, let's see, XP. I like the way this XP is setting up. Okay, just holding up very well. Maybe just set your price alert above that range breakout. All right, guys, that's it's for today. I do have a few more on there if you're a subscriber to Trade Ideas. So take care. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.